Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to review a product which is called as FreeCoin, and we will discuss about this product in very details. I will show you everything in details, but before telling you anything about this product, let me make it very clear that I am going to earn some commissions if you buy this product from the link in the description. Why I'm getting this? I'm getting this because I will be referring you to the product creator. If you buy this product, then he will incentivize me with some commissions without you paying anything extra for the product. Okay, so with that note, let us start reviewing the product. I will give you tons of bonuses from my side as well. If you buy this product from the link in the description, let me show you as well. So this is the bonus page of mine for FreeCoin only, and we will discuss about various things in this funnel. But this is my bonus number 1, this is my bonus number 2, and this is my bonus number 3, which I'm going to give you if you buy this product from the link in the description. Okay, so with that note, let us start reviewing the product. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, this product is called as FreeCoin right here. New 2022, we get paid just for sharing NFTs. Brand new $45 billion crypto trick that pays me $75 per hour free Bitcoin. Okay, for simply sharing free crypto pics, no skills required, no cost, no risk, no watching to get paid. Sorry, no waiting to get paid. And then there is a little bit of description of what the product will do. We get paid $75 every single hour. 12 beta testers are the people who test a particular product before it launches. So 12 beta testers made money within first 24 hours. Includes beta testers, $125 per day case studies, no experience required, works on any device, zero extra expenses. We are profiting with nothing but FreeCoin. New $48 billion loophole for 2022. Your fast tag to the laptop lifestyle, 365 days money back guarantee, plus get results or get paid $200. And so it is a pretty much bold claim. If you do not get paid, then you will be getting $200 of refund. Sorry, not refund, but a $200 of payback if you fail to make money through this product. Okay, so this is pretty much very much I will say very much bold claim to do. And so without going any further details into the product, let me show you what are the things you will get from my side when you buy this product from the link in the description. What are the things you are gonna get if you buy this product from the link in the description? Okay, so this is my bonus page. As you can see right here, this is only for FreeCoin. As you are seeing right here, this is for FreeCoin. By before this timer hit 0, but we will discuss about the timer. And I have briefed about this product as well a little bit, and we will discuss the funnel as well. And this is the bonus number 1 which you are gonna get if you buy this product from me. Okay, so bonus number 1 will include Pulsar, it will include Flash, and it will include dog dollars. So what are these? Let us have an overview of what these things are. So number 1 is Pulsar. As you can see right here, clone my $142 per hour cash site that pulls 100% PayPal and ClickBank commissions. Clone my profitable 100% commission business, no coding, no ads, no writing or list building, which pays $140 every hour, $1 million, which made us $1 million. There's a product which product creator is someone else who made $1 million with this product. For new $1 million method for 2022. Launch an instant software business, no experience required, 100% done for you, cloud based, $45 billion loophole, 100% beginner friendly, and 365-day money back guarantee for this product, which is called as Pulsar. And this is what I'm going to give you if you buy this product from the link in the description. And this means this person or the product creator continues to make or increase the revenue with a little bit of amount every single time you come on the site. Okay, so this is the about Pulsar. So they are also having a discount, but we are going to get it for completely free right now if you buy this product from the link in the description of my bonus page. Okay, and thus we have a flash, as I just showed you. Another one is flash, which I'm going to give you. So again, they are giving a $4 discount, but we are going to get it for free right now. So new holiday 2021, this is a previous year product. It get paid pasting free picnic, pics, brand new $44 billion Google shopping trick that pays $115 per picture. Okay, there's an interview as well. You can watch this interview. We get paid $115 every time. Beta test has made money. $65 case study. No experience required. Works on any device, and lot of stuff. Okay, no skill, no paid ads, no paid accounts, no waiting to get paid. So this was the flash, and now I'm gonna also give you dog dollars, which is this one. As you can see, new copy paste doc trick that makes $493 clickbank commissions. October beta tester made $110 in 24 hours. So copy from Google document, then paste to the app and make profit. So make every day $493. Beta testers made money, no experience required, and a lot of stuff. So all these three will cost you money, but I'm gonna give you completely for free if you buy this FreeCoin product right now from the link in the description. Okay, this was only the bonus number 1 that I'm gonna give you. The bonus number 2 is very much special and very much means I would say very much helpful if you buy this product, which is FreeCoin, because to sell your coins to someone you require customers or visitors, and that customers or visitors I'm going to give you as my bonus number 2. Okay, so as bonus number 2 I'm going to give you these tremendous how to get customers courses. This is Fuego Breakout, the clones, Fuego Multiplier, 0-hour workdays, Bang Bang Profits, Incognito. All of these are 6 top traffic courses which I'm going to give you completely for free if you buy this product right now from the link in the description. So if you click the link, you will land on this page, on this my bonus page. If you click on these buttons, which states click here to secure your copy and bonuses, you will land on the sales page of FreeCoin, which is this one. And from the sales page, what you can do is grab the copy of this FreeCoin, and all the bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, and my bonuses have not ended yet. My bonus number 3 will be completely very much special and very close to my heart, which is bonus number 3 is 9 money making courses, as you can see right here, which is very much helpful for you at this moment of time. 0-hour work days from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Lost Code, Mobile, Easy Passive days. All of these are top 9 money making courses which I'm going to give you completely for free if you buy the FreeCoin from the link in the description right now. But there is one catch, and that catch is this timer, and when this timer is 0, I will not be responsible to get the bonuses to you. Before the timer is 0, it is completely my duty to get all the bonuses, but after the timer is 0, I will not be responsible, and it will be your mistake if you do not get the bonuses. So do not waste any more time. Come right here right now, click in the description link and come on this page, buy this product, and all the bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, now let us see what this product is, which is FreeCoin. I have briefed about this product as well, as you can see right here. I have briefed about this product, and you are getting a 365-day money back guarantee funnel. So before talking about the funnel, let me show you a little bit more about the FreeCoin thing. So every time I share an image, I get $75 free of Bitcoin after making $800,000 this year. I brought a new everything about making money online. So Bitcoin, as you can see right here, 3 simple steps which you need to follow. First one is login. Number 2 is activate. Turn on the crypto commission trick. Just one click, zero mining. Just share NFT links. And step 3 is receive. Watch as the software generates daily Bitcoin deposits from a standstill on any device. Okay, so dear friend, if you're struggling, you need this. And this is a Bitcoin. As you can see, there is a particular Bitcoin, and its price, you will be amazed to see, it is $69 million. Okay, you hear that about the $69 million JPEG, and this is this weird picture. So this is the power of Bitcoin, how Bitcoin sells right now, how this NFT sells right now. This is what you can do as well if you work properly. There are a lot of things right here in the sales page. I'm not gonna go into details of it because it will consume a lot of time of yours and mine. So kindly watch it at your leisure, read it out at your leisure. And there are a lot of bonuses which the creator as well will be giving you. Bonus number 1 will be how to make $900 every single day, live training. Bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 will be $8,000 ClickBank commission masterclass. Bonus number 3 will be 20x bonus method to profit. Bonus number 4 will be free commercial license of this product. Bonus number 5 will be free marketing tool suite. Okay, so all these things will be completely yours if you buy this product right now. And there is a money back guarantee of 365 days. So if you do not feel this product to be helpful, within 1 year you can get a refund out of it. Okay, and this is what you will be getting through this product: brand new software, free Bitcoin payments, $100 NFT preloaded, students who $100 launches preloaded, case studies, everything done for you, Bitcoin $100 beginner's guide, unlimited lifetime access, step-by-step training, bonus, 365-day money-back guarantee. The total worth is $7,376. Right now it is of $497 a month, but use it at an instant discounted price if you click on this link in the description. Okay, click on this link. So now let us discuss about this product. You can get the front-end product at $17 only. This was not $497 but $17. So let us discuss about the funnel. What a funnel is. A funnel is means what to say. What you are watching as the FreeCoin thing is the front-end product. Then there are a lot of back-end products as well which will enhance the performance of the previous product. Okay, like the front-end product is the FreeCoin, which is of $17. But if you go for the upsell one, which is of $37, you will get the unlimited version of it. Okay, then you can get the done for you website version at $197. Then you can get done for you buyer traffic at $37. Then autopilot version at $67, reseller version at $97. All the information you will find out when you land on that particular offer or on that particular page. All these will be explained more in details when you land on that page. Okay, so do not worry about it. So if you have any query regarding to the product, I hope I have told you everything. But still, if you have any query, any doubt, kindly comment in the section down below. I will definitely answer you. Any query of yours, I will definitely solve. And if you still face any query, then and I am not able to answer that problem or solve that problem, I will ask the product creator and get back to you as soon as possible. So with that note, let us wrap up the video. If you found this video to be helpful, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and I create videos of this sort which will tell you about new product which launches every single day or every single week. So kindly consider subscribing to the channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.